Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth devices to your Roku TV. First, make sure your Bluetooth device, like headphones or a speaker, is fully charged and in pairing mode. Then, grab your Roku remote and press the home button. Navigate down to the settings menu, which is usually represented by a gear icon. From there, select the Remotes and Devices option to proceed with the connection process. Once you are in the Remotes and Devices menu, you will see several options. Select Bluetooth devices to manage your wireless audio connections. Next, choose Add New Bluetooth Device to initiate the scanning process. Your Roku TV will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices that are currently in pairing mode. This scan typically takes only a few seconds to complete. After the scan is complete, a list of available Bluetooth devices will appear on your screen. Locate and select your specific device from this list. You might receive a pairing request on both your Roku TV and the Bluetooth device. Simply confirm it on both ends. Once confirmed, your device should show as connected, and audio will now play through your newly paired Bluetooth accessory. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your devices are within a close range, ideally within 10 meters or about 33 feet, to maintain a strong signal. Try restarting both your Roku TV and the Bluetooth device. A simple power cycle often resolves minor glitches. Also, check for any available software updates on your Roku TV to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.